Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking about the str function in R. The str function returns the internal structure of R object. This will be particularly useful with a data frame or a list. The only required argument is an R object, vector, data frame, or list. We also have several optional arguments that modify how the str function prints. Note that your default may be different from mine, and you can check this using the str option function. If you type it out, you get str options, and it will print out your options. The digit D default, the fact length default, list length default, and so on. So if you are wondering your default, that would be the way to check, because they may be different from mine. Okay, and I'm going to go into what the str function output looks like. So I'm going to start with the data frame, the iris data frame. Okay, the iris data frame has 150 observations and 5 variables. The first 4 variables are numeric, with these numbers being representative of what that looks like. The last one is categorical, or in R, we call that a factor, with 3 levels, representing different flower species. Perhaps more interesting, we also have lists. So I'm going to go ahead and create a list with a few different R objects inside of it. So a vector with a standard normal sampled in it. So we have 100 samples from a standard normal. We have a matrix, and it's going to be a basic 3x3 matrix. So 1 through 9 in column equal 3. And we'll have a data frame, and that's going to make the data frame the iris data frame again. Okay, so we have that list of 3 elements created. I'm going to once again use the str function on that list. Okay, so it prints out the vector, numeric, with elements going from 1 to 100, and a few example values. The matrix, integers, 3x3, and all 9 integer values. And then once again we have the iris data frame with that being printed out. And of course I can move this over a little bit, and it prints a little bit more nicely. Okay, so the str function is most useful when you're not using RStudio and you just want to look at the internal structure of an R object, more specifically a list. As the layout of a list can be kind of complex, and it's good to have a quick and easy way to check it. If you are in RStudio, you can also click on the list, and it will also give you the elements without having to use the str function. And you can click on that, and it will print it all out in perhaps a better way than the str function, but either way it's a perfectly valid method. As always, I also have an example on my website, statswithr.com, where I do the str function on a different data frame. Okay, that's the end of the video, and thank you for watching.